Are you looking for the best telescope for deep space to uncover distant galaxies and celestial nebulae with perfect clarity? I reviewed 5 incredible stargazing tools designed to help you explore the night sky easily. Product number 1. Gskyer Astronomical Refracting Telescope. This entry-level refracting setup offers a highly portable configuration for stargazers who love traveling to dark sky locations out in the country. The 17mm aperture catches enough incoming starlight to reveal crisp views of the lunar surface and bright planetary phases during clear nights. A custom wireless remote control and phone adapter let you capture instant digital photographs of your discoveries without touching the frame physically. The smooth altazimuth mounting assembly moves fluidly across both axes, so tracking bright night targets feels simple and effortless for every user. I appreciate how the package includes a heavy-duty carry bag to keep the delicate optical glass safe during long storage or transport. The multi-coated elements maximize total light transmission to deliver bright images with surprising contrast for a compact model in this category. Setting up the entire system requires no technical tools, making it perfect for quick evening viewing sessions outside in your backyard. This hardware gives an excellent starting point for families looking to learn basic sky maps together and discover stars happily. Product number 2. DWARFLAB Dwarf Mini Smart Telescope. This revolutionary automated smart system shifts the entire astrophotography experience into an ultra-portable and computerized framework for modern outdoor stargazers. Weighing under 2 pounds, the miniature design houses integrated specialty filters and advanced automatic target alignment routines inside its core structure safely. The built-in dual lens assembly captures stunning wide fields and high-resolution cosmic data for rapid digital processing automatically and accurately. I select this machine because it completely replaces complicated traditional alignment hassles with effortless smartphone application controls on your phone screen. The tracking system counteracts the rotation of the Earth flawlessly to keep distant star clusters centered for long exposure photography sessions. An internal battery system ensures hours of continuous deep sky tracking out in remote backcountry fields without a wall outlet nearby. The intelligent software handles multi-frame stacking routines to produce professional-looking deep space images on your portable tablet device seamlessly. For modern observers tracking data, this technological tool makes cosmos photography accessible to all experience levels without prior training. Product number 3. Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ Telescope. This large reflector unit introduces a specialized smartphone dock that utilizes advanced sky recognition technology for target hunting in the dark. The 114mm Newtonian mirror gathers an abundance of starlight to illuminate faint deep space objects beautifully and clearly. The companion software calculates your exact orientation in real time to guide your manual tracking movements with simple direction arrows on screen. I enjoy how the steady altitude control clutch allows for micro adjustments when centering high magnification eyepieces on target zones precisely. The sturdy tripod framework minimizes annoying vibrations to guarantee comfortable viewing during long periods of stargazing out back in the garden. The parabolic mirror setup controls spherical aberrations to maintain sharp focus across your entire field of view nicely and consistently. It gives beginner astronomers the confidence to locate distant gas clouds without memorizing confusing star charts or coordinates beforehand with ease. This combination provides an incredible learning platform that turns your smartphone into a highly capable cosmic tour guide for everyone. Product number 4. Dianfan 90800 Professional Refractor Telescope. This professional-grade refractor utilizes a 90mm front aperture paired with a long 800mm focal configuration for clear viewing. The physical length yields significant magnification potential that helps separate tightly packed binary stars and subtle lunar mountain ridges during observations. The multi-coated glass elements drastically reduce color fringing to keep your deep sky observations looking natural and highly detailed every night. I find that the included stainless steel tripod setup offers superb structural rigidity against sudden evening wind gusts in open areas. A custom phone mounting bracket fits your mobile device securely to allow for beautiful high-contrast lunar photography sessions with your friends. The smooth rack and pinion focusing assembly lets you make sharp adjustments to capture pinpoint starlight across the eyepiece glass. The spacious storage bag protects the lengthy optical tube from dust and accidental moisture accumulation when stored away inside your house. This setup provides serious amateur astronomers with a dependable tool for tracking distant objects with satisfying visual accuracy and focus. Product number 5. MEEZAA 90800 High-Powered Telescope. This high-power refractor telescope matches a 90mm objective lens with a generous 800mm focal tube set up perfectly. Fully multi-coated lenses deliver bright and vivid night views by maximizing optical throughput while minimizing internal light scattered during your observations. The altazimuth mount head features an extended panning handle that allows you to guide tracking movements across target lines smoothly and easily. I observed that the tall adjustable tripod setup accommodates observers of varying heights comfortably for extended night viewing sessions in the dark. The kit features several premium accessories, including a specialized smartphone photography adapter and a durable canvas traveling bag for easy transport. The internal optical design handles both high magnification deep sky exploration and low power terrestrial viewing with excellent balance and performance. Its rugged construction ensures consistent performance over years of moving the equipment to your favorite country observation parks for fun. This robust system yields beautiful contrast and pinpoint resolution that satisfies the curiosity of any passionate beginner astronomer out there. I recommend choosing the smart automated model for effortless deep space photography or the large reflector for immersive manual viewing. All 5 telescopes deliver excellent price compatibility for your galactic journey.